Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol VXRT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Well, I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways here to just establish some context here. But very, very nice bounce on this one. I mean, when you stop and think about that, at one point the price was all the way down here, and then the price was able to bounce back to the upside. Definitely a nice sign of strength here, but that does lead to the valid question now of, but is there any sort of wrong thing there. Is there any sort of true power? Is there any sort of genuine strength behind this price movement? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, going into next week, a very important level, a very revealing level, is down here at $1.35. Why is $1.35 so important? Well, like I said, hopefully we can agree on the logic. And I'm assuming you're a logical person, that price movements with genuine strength, with true power, the price is going to progress higher. The price is going to progress in the upwards direction. The price is not going to go back to where it was. So assuming we can agree on that logic, think about this. Let's say that the price were to come down here to $1.35 and then just keep on going. What would that be doing with the price? Well, at that point in time, that would quite literally be putting the price right back inside of that range where it was when it was flirting with those lows. And again, going back, not exactly a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price came down here, behaved in that manner, then began to work its way back upwards. Now, all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows there. You'd have those lows down there. If you envision each of those as stair steps, well, hey, there you go. Now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time, make progress forward. And once again, in this situation, I'm defining quote-unquote progress as $1.35. What about areas of resistance going forward? Well, from this point of view, it's really just a question of, okay, well, where did the party stop today? So red for resistance real quick. And the party stopped today on the bounce right up here at $1.65, we'll call it. So $1.65, public enemy number one, head into next week. All in all, though, anyway, look at it. Great bounce today. Now it's just a matter of, can the price build upon this going forward? Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.